Ekusefede away khamba kanjani okhuluma Mr. Dash DOL from Day One Legends Music Records. Okay, indaba yikho la ngikwazisa ukuthi ngomhla ka-29 August kule nyanga esikuyona which is a Women Month celebration, inyanga yomama. Sine upcoming event, call out for ama-artist wonkana. Ingabe uyajiva, uyacula, uwenje acapella, ucula umaskandi, ucula ikwaito. This is your event if you're trying to showcase your talent. Ivenu ke silapha ePhunjini Liquor Store kwaJack Shisanyama Vakastrom Road ngaku stop sign ngase El Shaddai ke lesonto nje elikhulu lamazenke meters there. Mawungazi ubuze lapho kuleso strati bazokulayela ukuthi ziushaya kuphi ekseni. Unfortunately you won't be paid for your performance, but instead there is some special meal made for you as an artist ukuthi udle kamnandi wabona, cause the purpose yale event negoli yale event is to inform i-market ukuthi sekudayiswa inyama lapha wena pork, ivosi and chicken. Yabona nje zimnandi zipronomotutumas. Wena uzongisiza ngento eyiwani, utshela umngani wakhe atshela umngani wakhe nomngani wakhe atshela umngani wakhe ama-details ukuthi uregister kanjani ukuze uzokhona ukuperforma kule event yinawa ozowabona la escreenini sakho kule poster le esiyenzile for iwonkana. Akekho-ke lapha umuntu ovalelwa ngaphandle, wena nje just pull up ukhombise italente lakho, ukushowcase whatever lo igodlile lapha ekhaya. Meet us there. Danko, mina ngiyabonga.